Want to travel from Hong Kong to Shenzhen in just 14 minutes? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to book your ticket online using trip.com. No China ID required, just your passport. Let's go. To book your ticket online, go to the trip.com app or website and tap Trains. Search from Hong Kong to Shenzhen. Choose your travel date. Now here's something important. You must select Hong Kong West Kowloon, XRL, as your departure point and Futian as your destination. That's the only direct route that takes just 14 minutes. Once you've selected your train, tap Reserve and fill in your passenger info exactly as it appears on your passport. Enter your ID type, passport number, full name, and date of birth. Then add your contact info, like name, email, and phone number. Payment is super easy. You can use Apple Pay, debit card, or credit card. After booking, you'll receive an email confirmation with your ticket number, which you'll use at the station to collect your physical ticket. When you arrive at West Kowloon Station, head to the manual ticket pickup counters for foreign passport holders. Show your passport to collect your physical ticket. After collecting your ticket, you'll go through security screening, where your luggage or bags will be scanned. So make sure you arrive at least 1 hour early to allow time for ticket pickup, bag checks, and customs procedures. Board the train, find your coach and seat number, and get ready for a smooth ride. In just 14 minutes, you'll arrive at Futian Station in Shenzhen, one of the fastest cross-border rides in Asia. You'll first pass through Hong Kong exit immigration, then proceed directly to mainland China entry customs. Both are inside the same terminal. Before entering China, you must fill in the China arrival card. It's usually available at the customs checkpoint, but if you can't find it, don't panic. Just ask any officer nearby and they'll assist you. Trip.com is one of the easiest ways for foreigners to book China trains. Always carry your passport. You'll need it for pickup and immigration. For a full tutorial on setting up Alipay as a foreigner, tap the top right card to watch my step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more no-nonsense travel guides across China. See you in the next ride. Subscribe the NBS Travel for more tips. Safe travel.